Hey guys, it's Sean from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this beautiful brand new 2026 Kia Sportage, or what I like to call the KN card, because look at the Kia logo, it looks a lot like a K and an N. But we just finished up a full front end PPF package on this, as well as an 8-year ceramic coating and PPF, a few of the gloss black trims by the side of the windows as well. Kind of follow me through with the full front end PPF. We did the hood, headlights, front bumper trim, fenders, side mirrors, and the partial A-pillar as well, which goes all the way till there. And so this one has a good deal of protection, and as well as the ceramic coating too. So this thing is, going to take whatever comes at it. The PPF is going to save it against rock chips, debris, damage from debris, any type of scratches that happen on the front end. It's going to keep those headlights from getting pitted, yellowed, damaged over time. These are expensive headlights and they're massive, so why not protect them when the car is new? But this one's all finished up now. We're getting ready to send this home, and the owner is going to be super happy with how it came out. You can even come close, check out all the details. All the edges and corners are wrapped over. Even on a front end PPF, we try to make sure that we're rolling and tucking a lot of our edges, just because we want that premium looking PPF installation. You're paying a lot of money, you want it to look good as well. This vehicle over here, this Tesla Model 3, we did this about 2.5 months ago. It just came back in because the front bumper was hit, but as you can see, even this install looks spectacular. You cannot tell that there's PPF or ceramic coating on here, but it's doing the job and it's making it look great. That's all for now. We're gonna move on to the next super exciting project. Take care, and if you need anything similar done to your vehicle, please give us a call or fill out the form online. Thank you.